NWO Report World News.
China is planning to conduct the largest chemtrails experiment in history, modifying the weather in an area 3 times larger than Spain. Chinese authorities are planning to induce rainfall over 620,000 square miles in an ambitious geoengineering experiment. ScienceAlert reports the plan, which is an extension of a project called Tianhe, or Sky River, developed by researchers in 2016 at a China university, is hoped to bring extra rainfall to a massive area spanning some 1.6 million square kilometers, or again 620,000 square miles. For a bit of context, that's larger than Alaska and about 3 times the size of Spain, according to the South China Morning Post. And this is an immense scope, means that extra rainfall expected will also be very large amounts if the plan succeeds, equivalent to roughly 7% of China's annual water consumption. Now, modifying the weather in Tibet is a critical innovation to solve China's water shortage problem, said Li Fanapi, president of the state-owned China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, which is developing the project. It will take an important contribution not only to China's development and world prosperity, but also the well-being of the entire human race, he says. While it sounds like something out of science fiction, this form of weather modification called cloud seeding is something scientists have been trying to pull off for decades now, and China is more deeply invested in the concept than anywhere else in the world. The data we've collected shows very promising results, but not everybody is convinced of China's plans to create artificial rainfall over such a wide area, especially because there is still a lot we don't know about how cloud seeding works, which is usually initiated by more localized chemical agents released into the atmosphere by planes, and it affects broader weather patterns. Rather, it makes rain happen somewhere, which means that it will not happen somewhere else. This immediately means that ecosystems and people living somewhere else where it would have rained will no longer get this rain. If that's correct, the potential effect of China's Sky River could mean whole cloud systems covering an area the size of Alaska might be diverted to boost rainfall over the Tibetan plateau. It's not known when the project will be completed, but given how huge and hugely controversial this plan could become, we doubt we've heard the last of this.